En el sistema de refrigeración,
In the cooling system of a vehicle, the fan is one of the most important components. If the fan is unbalanced, it can cause the premature rupture of the fan itself or the viscous clutch on which it is assembled. Therefore, today we are going to explain the fan balancing, which we perform inside Cojali facilities. This process is essential and its main objective is to match the center of mass of the fan to its geometrical central point. To perform fan balancing, in Cojali we have a high-precision balancing machine, which shows us by using coordinates in which point it is the center of mass of the fan at any time and which is its level of unbalance. The displacement of the center of mass of the fan towards its geometrical center is performed by adding small weights in different points of the fan. In Cojali parts, we ensure the balance of 100% of the fans offered in our cooling system range in order to provide our products with the best quality.